Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to study for Physics Compartment Exam Class 12 step by step. Begin by mapping the entire syllabus and marking high-weight chapters. Prioritize mechanics, electricity, and optics if they carry more marks. Create a revision timetable with short focus sessions and mix problem solving with concept review. Aim for active recall and timed practice to simulate exam conditions, and adjust plans based on weekly progress. Start each study session with a quick recap of previous topics to activate memory. Use a mix of derivations, conceptual questions, and numerical problems to cover all angles. Keep formulas on a single cheat sheet and test yourself on them every day. Alternate between focused problem sets and short concept explanations to prevent fatigue. Regular short breaks will keep your concentration steady and learning more efficient. Allocate weekly mock exams that mimic exam timing and conditions to build confidence. After each mock, analyze mistakes and categorize them by concept, calculation error, or time pressure. Keep a growing list of common formula manipulations and experiment procedures for last-minute review. Focus on clarity in answers, labeling diagrams, and showing key steps so partial marks are earned when unsure of final results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.